Oh.
I didn't even get to see your last big one that you did where you did she not get down?
The really cool one that I just built? Yeah.
Maybe. Did you get a picture of it?
I'll build it again.
I'm bouncing around.
Oh my, Navy. Hey Navy, can you do a back bend? Can you show Nana how you do a back bend? Not on the steps. Get down. Do it on the carpet right there. Oh. Get on your back and push there. Good job. Go all the way up. Push your tummy all the way up. There, good job. Oh dear. You're out of control.
That's my video.
Oh, are you done now?
Yep.
Okay. Say bye.
Bye, everybody. Thank you for listening to my talk.